A Vietnamese wedding is a beautiful and joyous celebration that holds deep cultural significance. It is a time when families come together to celebrate the union of two individuals and to honor their traditions and customs. In Vietnam, weddings are typically elaborate affairs that involve multiple ceremonies and rituals. The preparations for a wedding begin months in advance, with families meticulously planning every detail to ensure a memorable and meaningful event. One of the most important aspects of a Vietnamese wedding is the tea ceremony. This ceremony is held at the bride's house and is a way for the groom's family to pay respects to the bride's ancestors. The couple serves tea to their parents and receives blessings and words of wisdom in return. It is a touching and symbolic moment that represents the joining of two families. Another significant tradition in Vietnamese weddings is the exchange of vows and rings. The couple expresses their love and commitment to each other in front of their families and friends. It is a heartfelt declaration of their promise to support and cherish one another through thick and thin. Food plays a central role in Vietnamese weddings, with elaborate feasts being a highlight of the celebrations. Traditional dishes such as pho, spring rolls, and bread are often served, along with a variety of other delicacies. The wedding banquet is a time for guests to indulge in delicious food and enjoy the festivities. Music and dancing are integral parts of a Vietnamese wedding, adding to the joyful atmosphere. Traditional music, such as the rhythmic beats of the drums and the melodious sounds of traditional instruments, fills the air. Guests often participate in lively dances, creating a sense of unity and celebration. Vietnamese weddings are also known for their vibrant and colorful attire. The bride typically wears a traditional Vietnamese dress, a long, elegant dress adorned with intricate embroidery. The groom wears a similar outfit, a traditional dress for men. The vibrant colors and intricate designs of these traditional garments reflect the rich cultural heritage of Vietnam. Throughout the wedding, there are numerous customs and rituals that are meant to bring good luck and blessings to the couple. These include the lighting of candles, the release of colorful lanterns, and the exchange of gifts. Each ritual holds symbolic meaning and is meant to ensure a prosperous and harmonious future for the newlyweds. A Vietnamese wedding is not just a union between two individuals but a celebration of family, culture, and tradition. It is a time of love, joy, and unity as families and friends come together to witness and support the couple's journey into married life. The customs, rituals, and festivities that surround a Vietnamese wedding make it a truly memorable and meaningful occasion. In conclusion, a Vietnamese wedding is a rich and vibrant celebration that reflects the deep-rooted customs and traditions of Vietnam. It is a time when families and friends gather to honor the union of two individuals and to celebrate their love. From the tea ceremony to the exchange of vows, the feast, and the lively music and dancing, a Vietnamese wedding is a beautiful and joyous occasion that embodies the spirit of love, unity, and cultural heritage. Love is a powerful and universal emotion that has fascinated humans for centuries. It is a complex and multifaceted feeling that can encompass a range of emotions, from affection and warmth to passion and desire. Love is a fundamental part of the human experience, shaping our relationships, our actions, and our perceptions of the world. Love can be experienced in various forms and relationships. The love between family members is often characterized by unconditional care and support. Siblings, parents, and children share a deep bond that is nurtured by love. This love provides a sense of belonging, security, and stability. Romantic love, often referred to as being in love, is another profound aspect of human relationships. It is a deep emotional and sexual attraction to another person. Romantic love is characterized by intense emotions, passion, and a desire for closeness and intimacy. It is a feeling that can bring immense joy, excitement, and fulfillment. Love is not limited to familial or romantic relationships. It can also be experienced in friendships, where love is expressed through trust, loyalty, and companionship. Friends provide emotional support, understanding, and a sense of belonging. The love between friends is often characterized by mutual respect, shared experiences, and the ability to be oneself without judgment. Love is a driving force behind acts of kindness and compassion. It inspires us to care for others, to lend a helping hand, and to make a positive difference in the lives of those around us. Love encourages empathy and understanding, allowing us to connect with others on a deeper level and to show genuine concern for their well-being. Love also plays a significant role in personal growth and self-acceptance. It is through love that we can learn to love ourselves, embracing our strengths and accepting our flaws. Self-love is essential for developing a positive self-image, building confidence, and maintaining emotional well-being. It enables us to set healthy boundaries, make choices that are aligned with our values, and prioritize our own happiness and fulfillment. Despite its many positive aspects, love can also bring pain and heartache. Love is not immune to conflict, misunderstandings, and loss. Relationships can be complicated, and the vulnerability that comes with love can leave us open to hurt and disappointment. However, it is through these challenges that we can learn and grow, developing resilience and a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. In conclusion, love is a powerful and universal emotion that shapes our relationships, actions, and perceptions of the world. It can be experienced in various forms, from the love between family members to romantic love and friendships. Love inspires kindness, compassion, and personal growth. While it can bring joy and fulfillment, love is not immune to challenges and heartache. Despite the complexities of love, it remains an essential and fundamental part of the human experience, enriching our lives and connecting us to others in profound ways.